Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we went all the way to Ada for an adventure at the Crocodile Island, where we fed some deadly crocodiles and played with their babies, their baby crocs.
Baby croc in my hands.
We saw some pythons as well. We later went to Sogakope Beach Resort to cool off and watch the sunset. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's go!
Hey, you already know what it is. You know where we are? You know where we are? Hey, let's show them where we are. Show them where we are. You know what this is? We're going to Treasure Island. Yeah? Treasure Island. That's down in Ada. So we're just going to see what's over there this side. We've not been there before. Come. It's a brand new day. Let's see what's in Ghana. Come on, explore Ghana. Come on. ISSALINKOP! ISSALINKOP! So that was the boat ride. We're just heading to Crocodile Island now to see some crocodiles. Stay tuned.
Yeah, my name is George.
Your name is George?
Yeah, George.
And where are we currently?
Crocodile Island.
Crocodile, okay.
Yeah, we have some, it's a little zoo with 3 animals.
3, what?
Monkey, crocodiles, and then the crocodiles and the pond and the snakes and the fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long has this thing been in existence?
Like 10 years now.
10 years? Okay. How many crocodiles do you
We
have?
have 3 crocodiles, 3 snakes, and 2 monkeys.
Okay. So,
And we got the crocodiles around with the monkeys, with the snakes also. We got them around, like they live in the swamp. Then they used to come around and cut them when they were small.
okay. So, if we go inside the swamps, are we going to find some more?
No.
Currently
They come out at night
Okay.
to hunt. That's when you trap them and catch them. But for now, they hide themselves. And even for now, it's like there's people coming around, so they are
Always going back. Okay. All right.
Crocodiles, yeah.
Yep, try them. We're going to try them. You have some big ones? Yeah, you just try them. You have the small ones.
Okay.
They feed them.
Yeah, we feed them with chicken. They just taking meat. They are coming around, so.
They don't go feed them.
Oh!
They don't go feed them, partner. This one big, oh.
Crocs.
Say welcome back.
Crocs. Gang business.
Watch my feet like that.
Yo.
Charlie. They feed jump.
Yeah. Damn it.
Chai, do that one you do, they be like you want jump. Yeah.
Mike is about to attempt. Mike, everyone is waiting.
I'm waiting. They do everything with caution. Why you
Kojo?
Yeah.
I think coming out.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. So who ate it? Who won the battle?
The middle one.
Where did you?
Things you are giving him.
Yeah.
The crocodiles have been here for 15 years now, and we have 1 male, 2 female. And they used to lay egg in the sand and they hatch. So we have their babies in the pond and they go have a look at it.
Okay.
These are baby crocodiles.
So how did you take them?
Okay, so how many baby?
You saw this one?
No,
Like me, I won't buy one go out. And so someday the pond, this one is like
yeah, they have some small ones. I mean, they live around, like the crocodiles are around.
Oh, really?
you lie.
They are around. The babies, they have more inside the pond. These are just a few in courts and they are keeping them.
Oh, okay.
But they are more inside.
So do they also eat?
When they harm the tortoise in the water,
No, the crocodiles are small, so they don't harm them.
but the big ones can harm this
Yeah.
one. Oh, okay.
So do they also eat meat like that?
Yeah. You cut it into pieces for them, small.
Baby crop. Yeah, baby crop.
But this one you can cut.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Go catch lizard king.
I better catch up for you, make I see.
Tortoise day inside.
Yeah.
Turtle.
Catch up, make I see. That big one, it don't go worry you. What that? They got the catch the animal, though.
Baby crop.
I think hold down. You too. I won't hold down. He go bite you. Me too.
First
I won't hold
attempt.
down. I won't hold down. Me, I won't hold the big one in there. No. Have you catch that one? You catch that one. I won't hold that one.
Right, to them.
Yo, introduce.
It's a link up, Charlie. Baby croc in my hands. Like it feels good. Feels good.
How old is this?
How old is this one?
No squeeze out. Oh, this one is just a year old.
A year old.
They grow very slowly.
Oh yeah.
They don't grow that fast.
Oh wow. And it's in the car. About how much?
Yeah,
like 5.
That be the sound they make.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are done watching the baby crocodiles and we are moving to the pythons in the cage over
Turtle
there.
inside.
Yeah, in the state.
This one, it will take years before they move.
Any animal.
Snake.
Say hello to the camera.
We are here again.
Yeah, we are here again. It's a mad link.
Yeah, so we have the snakes inside here. They are python.
What's happening to the face?
They use their mouth to hit each other. They make it like strike.
Oh, okay. Strike me.
Okay. And
But have you got how many?
Is that?
How many holes? No, Miss Papa, no hold. Make you not open the cage. If you open the cage,
Their age, you don't actually know because like they just came around and we caught it. But they have been here for 2 years.
oh, okay.
okay.
And we feed them with rat and fowl.
Live
Foul.
Yeah, like one.
So how do you feed them?
We just open it
And drop them inside.
So they're poisonous, yeah?
No, they are not poisonous. Like pythons, naturally, they are not poisonous. They don't have poison, but they can bite. When you bite, just you hurt and then there's no poison.
Have you ever been bitten?
But no,
Can they swallow you?
no, this one is too small. But the bigger ones can swallow.
Okay.
This one can swallow.
Okay.
How long are they?
No, 8 feet. Maybe up to 10.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for the tour, and we really appreciate you.
Welcome. Nice meeting you. Yeah, I'm George and it's a link up. Thanks for coming here.
You already know who it is. It's a link up. Come on. Right now, we are in this beautiful resort. I showed them the resort. I showed them the houses. Little things. This place is called Sogakope. Hear that? Sogakope Resort. So we're just about to get some food out in the Volta region. That's Volta region, right? Yeah, Volta region. I'll show you.